Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. In this video, we are going to see top 30 MCQ of unit number 6 of your CHE 110, which is environmental chemistry. So let's begin the questions. So our first question is, what is a major impact of human population growth on the environment? So the options are biodiversity increase, climate stability, environmental degradation, or natural resource preservation. So the correct option is option C, environmental degradation. You can see the explanation in the blue box. So we are moving to the next question. Our next question is, the Bisnois of Rajasthan are known for. Options are hunting wildlife, deforestation, protecting flora and fauna, or urban development. So the correct option is protecting flora and fauna. We are moving to the next question. Our next question is, the main aim of the Chipko movement was. Options are cut more trees, protest against mining, protect forest, or build dam. So the correct option was option C, protect forests. So we are moving to the next question. So our next question is, which movement started in Karnataka to save forest? So the options are Narmada Bachao, Tehri Dam, Apiko movement, or Jungle Bachao. So the correct option is option C, Apiko movement. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, what is environmental ethics? So the options are study of physics, moral principle guiding human interaction with nature, or study of pollution, or law on traffic. So the correct option is option B, moral principles guiding human interaction with nature. So we are moving to the next question. Our next question is, the Silent Valley movement was against. Options are wildlife hunting, hydroelectricity project, air pollution, or water conservation. So the correct option was option B, hydroelectric project. So we are moving to the next question. Our next question was, what is the primary focus of Jungle Bachao Andolan? So the options are tree cutting for farming, protection of tribal lands and forest, mining, or urban planning. So the correct options are option B, protection of tribal land and forest. So we are moving to the next question. Our next question is, cultural practices help in environmental conservation by. Options are encouraging deforestation, promoting festivals. Option C, valuing nature through traditions. Option D, increase population. So the correct option is option C, valuing nature through tradition. We are moving to the next question. Next question is, environmental law in India are enforced by. Options are RBI, Pollution Control Board, Telecom Ministry, or Sport Authority. So the correct option is option B, Pollution Control Board. So we are moving to the next question. So our next question is question number 10. Narmada Bachao Andolan was against. Options are rainwater harvesting, large dam on Narmada River, nuclear energy, or forest clearance in Assam. So the correct option is option B, large dam on Narmada River. So now we are moving to the next question. Next question is, the Tehri Dam conflict involved. Options are displacement and seismic rock risk, or deforestation, tsunami, or overpopulation. So the correct option is option A, displacement and seismic risks. So we are moving to the next question. Our next question is, which law protect India's environment? Options are Wildlife Protection Act, Land Acquisition Act, or Environment Protection Act, or RTI Act. So the correct option is option C, Environment Protection Act 1986. So we are moving to the next question. Our next question is, who are primary stakeholder in conservation in tribal areas? So the options are corporate, urban residents, tribal community, or tourists. So the correct option is option C, tribal communities. So we are moving to the next question. Our next question is, what is the goal of public environmental awareness campaign? So the options are industrial promotion, education and action on environmental issue, scientific research, or celebrity promotion. So the correct option is option B, education and action on environmental issues. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which movement is famous for the slogan ecology is permanent economy? Options are Epico movement, Chipko movement, Silent Valley, or Save Yamuna. So the correct option is option B, Chipko movement. So we are moving to the next question. Our next question is, which of the following is an impact of population explosion? So the options are resource conservation, pressure on land, water and air, improved biodiversity, or stable climate. So the correct option is option B, pressure on land, water and air. So we are moving to the next question. Our next question is, which tribal group is associated with environmental protection? Option are Santhlaj, Mughlaj, Bisnois or Aryans. So the correct option is option C, Bisnois. So we are moving to the next question. Our next question is, environmental conservation means. Options are destroying forest, building more industries, protecting and preserving nature, encouraging pollution. So the correct option is option C, protecting and preserving nature. So we are moving to the next question. Our next question is, what role do NGO play in environmental protection? Option are under deforestation, organized awareness and legal action, spread pollution, or increase carbon footprints. So the correct option is option B, organize awareness and legal actions. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, what is a major cause of environmental degradation in India? Options are use of solar energy, organic farming, unplanned urbanization, or rainwater harvesting. So the correct option is unplanned urbanization. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which of these is a sustainable cultural practice? Options are worshipping nature, cutting forest for rituals, using plastic items, or burning waste. So the correct option is option A, worshipping nature like tree and rivers. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, environmental movement in India mainly aim to. Options are support government development, preserve ecosystem and people's right, and promote pollution or increase mining. So the correct option is option B, preserve ecosystem and people's right. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, what is the main cause of loss of biodiversity in human communities? Options are conservation, habitat destruction, cultural worship, or organic farming. So the correct option is option B, habitat destruction. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, public participation is essential in environmental movement because options are it's optional, government alone cannot handle all issues, it's time pass, or it delay work. So the correct option is option B, government alone cannot handle all issues. So we are moving to the next question. Our next question is, the Forest Rights Act give right to. Options are tourist, wildlife, tribal communities, or builders. So the correct option is option C, tribal communities. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, which of the following is a traditional method of water conservation? Options are concrete tank, rooftop rainwater harvesting, plastic reservoir, or chemical treatment. So the correct option is rooftop rainwater harvesting. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, environmental welfare includes. Options are waste burning, clean water, air and food for all, air pollution, or increased consumption. So the correct option is option B, clean water, air and food for all. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is, Who led the Narmada Bachao Andolan? Options are Sundarlal Bahuguna, Medha Patkar, Vandana Shiva, or Baba Amte. So the correct option is option B, Medha Patkar. So we are moving to the next question. Next question is the concept of tribal harmony with nature means. Options are cutting forest, sustainable living with forest, tribal conflicts, or dam building. So the correct option is option B, sustainable living with forest. So we are moving to the last question. Our last question is, what is the core value of environmental ethics? Options are green revolution, Terry Dam, or ship breaking, or Yamuna action plan. So the correct option is option B, Terry Dam. So make sure you share this video with your friend and your class groups. If you find this video helpful for your exam preparation, then hit a like button and subscribe for more videos. Till study hard and keep focus on your exam. We meet in the next subject.